My name is Thomas Merrell. I'm here at the Vegas AHR show with Vesta. We have two products here. We have the VEP and the VES units. Our VEP unit is our tankless unit with the recirculation pump, and then our VES unit is the tankless unit with the without the recirculation pump, just a tankless unit. They come in two models, 150,000 BTUs and 199,000 BTUs. These two particular units won't be available until the third quarter of this year, but the generation before units are out there in the market already and available.